I have found a buffet on the side of the road and I sanded it down and repainted it. I decided to paint it based on the movie Beetlejuice. I'll go ahead and get started and show you guys how I did it. So let's go! So this is what the buffet looks like before I sanded it and painted it. I used gloss acrylic paint. I did 4 coats of white paint and then I put painter's tape on top and put 4 coats of black on it, and then I painted the handles ropes green with glow-in-the-dark green paint, and then this is what they look like. I like the way they turned out so far, but I don't like that door. So I filled in the wheat, I guess. I sanded it and then I put 4 coats of white paint on it and clear coated it, and then put painter's tape on it, black paint, 4 coats of black paint, peeled that back, and when I peeled the paint back, it tore a little bit of the paint, which was perfect. Kind of was hoping for it to do that so I could put mold and moss, which also glows in the dark. I put a clear coat on it and it turned out really cute, and I love that the handle is purple. I sanded down the top and now I'm putting on 4 coats of white gloss acrylic, and then I put clear coat on top. I didn't record the clear coat. Then I painted the trim black all the way around. So there was these little pieces of trim, and so I decided to paint them purple since Beetlejuice, you know, there's some purple in there on his outfit, I think. Yeah, it is purple. And I thought this purple looked pretty and I liked it a lot, so I also clear coated that as well once I was done, and I made a stamp out of a eraser. I kind of went old school on that one, and I made the bugs. And the best part is they glow in the dark as well, which makes me really happy. This is what the door looks like and what the drawers look like on it. I couldn't decide what I wanted to do with the sides, so I decided to put 4 coats of black, thick dark black paint on it with clear coat. Then I thought, hey, there wasn't enough mold and moss, so I put some on the drawers, some on the trim. I thought it'd be really cute. And so the drawing I did on the top took me about 4 hours to just sketch out, because I was very unsure how I wanted it to sit and like make sure it was even and equal in the middle. And there was 2 of them. I tried to make them as symmetrical as I could. Painting them took me 2 days. I was so nervous painting these because I was so scared to mess up, but I did love how they came out. I really enjoy how they came out. I used a painter's pen to fill in the small little tiny details. It was like acrylic painter's pen. And then I just started painting. That's the painter's pen. Like, I really like these type of pens. I used the fine tip one that they have, and I think that was like $2. Then I took this really fine, tiny paintbrush, which I really like, it's one of my favorites, and filled it in with black gloss acrylic and just like kept painting three layers on this, I think. I think I did 3 layers. Then I did the shading, and that was the hard part, was trying to get the white and black shading on the stripes on the sandworm. Then I thought it was missing something, so I added fake sand holes, I guess. I don't know. Then I added some more moss and mold and clear coated everything, which I did not record, sadly, because it took me like hours to wait for it to dry and then a whole night. But this is it finished, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will be selling it. I have it already posted online for sale, and I'll go ahead and hop off here so